How to fix Twitter age verification error. Hey everyone, if you're running into the frustrating age verification error on X, formerly Twitter, don't worry, I've got you covered. Here's exactly what you need to do to fix it, step by step. First, open the X app and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap your profile icon again to open your profile page. Now, tap Edit Profile and double-check your birth date. If it's missing or incorrect, update it right away. Once that's done, head back to the main menu and open Settings and Privacy. From there, tap your account, then select Account Information. If X requires verification, you'll see a prompt here. Just follow the instructions to upload a valid ID along with a selfie to confirm your identity. Also, make sure your email is verified. If not, verify it immediately, as this often solves the issue. If you're still having trouble, try logging into Ax.com from a web browser and upload your documents there instead. Once your account is verified, the age verification error should disappear completely.